Alright, welcome back to this Google Meet platform. Cause at first you have to sign in to your Google account. If you have G Suite, you can continue with your G Suite. If you want to sign in using your own Google account, you may do so. Alright, after you sign in, it will appear like this. Okay, I'm going to close this first. Okay, it will appear like this. And here you can add people, your student, your pupils, and you can give them your link here. Okay, or you can copy paste this link onto the WhatsApp group or Messenger group, okay, or Telegram group. Okay, here. Now I'm going to close this, and I'm going to talk about the very basic things you need to know about Google Meet platform. Okay, first, okay, this one I'm going to drag and put it over here so that it won't block. Okay, first you need to know all this down here. Here's the mic. Here's when you want to leave. Okay, leave this platform. Then how to sign out. Because you don't sign out, just close like that. No. Okay, and then you must remember you are doing recording before you sign out. You have to end recording. But if you are using like the screen recorder I'm using, you can sign up first and then you can end recording. But I think those use G Suite, they have to end recording first before they leave the platform. Okay, and this one is the camera. Okay, you just say you don't want your face to appear here on the platform. So you click here. Okay, people can see your image. This image, if you have it on your Google account. Okay, so now I turn on the camera. Okay, this is for example, if you are in front with a big group of students or pupils, so first and foremost, you have to ask them to turn off their microphone, else they can't hear what you are talking. Okay, and you ask them to mute it unless those want to ask question, unmute it. Okay, just say unmute it. Okay, if I talk also, you can't. Okay, so I turn on the microphone. And before this one, before you leave, okay, let's talk about this one. And caption, this one is you can use it and it benefits those who are having hearing problems. Okay, sometimes if you speak too fast, they can't capture what you are saying. So you on the caption. Because when you on the caption, I try on it. When you on the caption, whatever you are saying, it will appear here. Yeah, I off this. So those who are having hearing problem, they can read the caption. And this caption, there's no need for you to sign, no need for you to write. Okay. And then here, if you want to present your documents, your articles, you click here. Okay, you can present it. If you already got, yes, you can present it. Okay, and here the three dots, sorry, three dots here. What it's all about. Okay, if you sign in using a G Suite, then you have the recording here, the option. But if you sign in using your Google account, there's no option for recording, but that won't be any problem because you can install screen recorder. This screen recorder can be used on any platform. Okay, even though after you leave this Google Meet platform, you can still continue to record if you want to. Okay, this change layout. Yep. Okay, let me tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me tell you. For Google Meet platform, the most you can add in is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can add in 20 participants. Okay, not more than that. I think Zoom more than that, but that's not a problem also. In future, you can install Grid, 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 okay, and you can extend your tents where you can add in more participants. All right. Um, it's about this the layout you should know. As I say, this platform you have to study first. Okay. After you have studied, okay, then you make use of this platform not only for your teaching and learning process, but also for delivering message, okay, sermon. As you continue to be on this platform, you will discover new apps that you need, new tools that you need, okay, on this platform. Early on, I got shared before that you need this dualers to merge your window so that you can be on the what on the left side and on the right is your article that you want to present. Okay, or either way you can be on your right, okay, and your article which you want to present will be on your left, either way. Okay, and you can go on full screen if you want to. Okay, you can click here, full screen. Okay, you can change your background if you don't want this background. Okay, you can try and click there. Okay, whatever background you want, you can choose from here, just click it. These are the basic things you need to know when you come to the Google Meet platform. Okay, yeah, this one turn on caption, you can turn here or you can turn here. I think the rest are setting. Let me see the setting. Okay, you can check your microphone. You can do a test on that, and your audio and your video. Okay, this is my laptop webcam, which already installed into the laptop, so I use this. Okay, resolution, I use auto. Resolution, this one, receive one also auto. In general, okay, report additional diagnostics to help improve this product. Okay, you can report, so I click here. Then you close this. As the setting. Okay, these are the very basic things you need to know. Another thing here, you can check with your client, but this you have to type. But for caption, you no need to type. Okay, this one you have to type. You have you are in front with your client. Yeah? Your client can be your student, your pupils, or if you are in the business line, yeah, you should have client. Okay, close this. And then here you can see uh, who is joining your meeting. Show everyone. You click here. Okay. If you don't want to click that, also never mind. You can't see them, but they can see you. Okay. Now, if I want to leave, I'll click here before I leave. Wait, I'm not going to leave yet. Okay, as you continue to be on this platform, you will know what you need, okay, on this platform. Like as for me, I need screen recorder. I need the dwellers where I can speed up my window. Let me check. Okay, you can click here, click here, click. This is speed up. Okay, and I need the converter because when you uh, do recording, you'll be in webcam format file. So you want to be converted into MP4. So you need this. Okay, or maybe you want to convert into AVI file or into MOV file or into whatever file. So you need this. And how to know whether all these extension are active? You click here. Then you can see you already pinned to it. That means it's already in your Chrome extension. Okay. Okay, these are the very basic thing you need to know about Google Meet platform. Okay, as you continue to explore this platform, come to one stage, it will be user friendly to you. Once you have the tools that is required for your platform. Okay, and okay, if you want to leave this platform, remember I'm still recording. Okay, and I go here. Okay, here they got question to ask me. Remember just now when I show you on the setting, okay, you can send message to them. Then they ask you want to rejoin back, you can click here. You want to get out of this platform, then you return to home screen. Okay, from here you can sign up of your Google account. Okay, I think I'm going to stop sharing. Screen recorder is sharing your screen. Stop sharing, then I can end here. Okay. If you want to continue on, you can go back here. To here. You can copy the link and send. You can copy the link here. Okay. And paste it here. Alright, I'm going to stop sharing now.